Good morning, buenos dias. Today I'm going to make a dragon fruit smoothie. So I have this dragon fruit in a spoon, which my daughter really likes. It's such a funky tropical fruit. And there it is, I cut it in half and put it in the refrigerator. And now I'm just going to scoop it out with this spoon. Just take the spoon and move it all around here. And as I'm scooping it, I'm just lifting it up. It doesn't have to be perfect. It's good to learn from our mistakes. That's how we learn. So now that I've scooped it, I'm going to take NutriBullet and dunk it in there. I didn't get all of it. That's okay. That's okay. All right, and there it is. Now I'm going to take a little bit of this GoodBelly probiotic there. Add some of that. About a quarter of a cup. And I have some water here. And then I have this frozen mango strawberry pineapple mix there. A little bit yummy Canadian maple syrup, like a tablespoon or two. I don't know, it depends how sweet you like it. And then I love probiotics. So I have the probiotic GoodBelly, which I add a little bit of it, and I'm just gonna add this. I'm trying out this new kefir mango flavored, and it's with whole milk. So I'm gonna get some of that in there, so I can get my probiotic in. And then I'm going to blend it and see how this tastes. It's my first time trying this combo. Let's see how it goes. Sometimes it splurges everywhere. See right here? I just scoop it out and clean that up when that happens. So this isn't fully mixed, so I'm gonna grab a towel right here. Just clean this up. And that happens sometimes when I didn't like screw this on completely correctly, or when it hasn't been cleaned out before. Sometimes my husband and my daughter forget to clean it out, or just do a good clean over afterwards, and I do too sometimes, so that might be part of it. Or I think also part of it is I just didn't screw it in correctly. Okay, let's see. Hopefully this works now. What I like about the NutriBullet is it's so easy to clean. You know, it's not like a food processor or another, juicer with lots of different components. It's so easy. You just like rinse it or stick it in the dishwasher and you're done. It's not like all these components to clean. So let's see if this works. Do my little stretches. Still leak through, but that's okay. Just leave that in there. Put this NutriBullet aside. Gonna try this out. See how it tastes. I have a little my tiki glass with some lemon verbena here. Let's see. It's not too sweet and it's not too bitter, but I would add maybe just a little. It's good. It's just, I like it personally a little bit sweeter. So maybe next time I would add a little bit more maple syrup, or I could just put it back in here and add just maybe a tad bit, because I did add the probiotic, which has that no sugar probiotic, which has that yogurty taste. So I'm just gonna add a little bit more maple syrup and get this ready to go. If I want a little sweeter or a little less sweet, well, less sweet I tend to add more ice or dilute it with water, and then sweeter, more maple syrup or honey or sugar. You know what would help also? A banana. Banana would also. All right, let's see how this goes. Yep, smoother. Just like a tad bit more maple syrup in there. Enjoy. Smoothie day keeps the doctor away.